Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the culinary world. We're talking about the REDMOND Real Sea Salt, touted as the best fine ground sea salt on the market. With its unique flavor and natural composition, this salt has captured the hearts of chefs and home cooks alike. So, what sets REDMOND Real Sea Salt apart? First, let's talk about its origins. Mined from an ancient seabed in central Utah, this sea salt is unrefined and free from additives, ensuring that you get the purest form of salt available. Unlike many commercial salts that undergo heat processing or contain anti-caking agents, REDMOND Real Sea Salt retains its natural minerals and nutrients. This is a salt that not only enhances the flavor of your food but also supports a healthy diet. With a generous 26-ounce pouch, this salt comes in a fine grind that makes it versatile for a wide range of culinary applications. Whether you're sprinkling it on fresh vegetables, using it to season meats, or adding it to your favorite baked goods, this salt is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Now, let's talk about flavor. REDMOND Real Sea Salt offers a subtle salty sweetness that enhances the natural flavors of your food without overwhelming them. It's a great addition to spice rubs, giving your dishes a more complex taste profile. What's more, the fine texture allows for easy distribution, making it an excellent choice for everyday seasoning. Unlike conventional table salt, which can often have a harsh bite, REDMOND's natural sea salt provides a gentle, rounded flavor that complements rather than competes with your ingredients. This balance makes it an essential pantry staple for anyone serious about their cooking. Health enthusiasts will appreciate the numerous benefits that come with using REDMOND Real Sea Salt. This salt is packed with over 60 natural trace minerals, contributing to a well-rounded diet. These minerals not only enhance the flavor of your food but also play a crucial role in maintaining your body's electrolyte balance. Incorporating this salt into your meals means you're not just seasoning, you're nourishing. With its commitment to natural sourcing and ethical harvesting, REDMOND provides a product that you can feel good about using in your kitchen. Let's not forget about the sustainability aspect. REDMOND is dedicated to eco-friendly practices. Their mining operations are powered by solar energy, ensuring a minimal carbon footprint. This is a brand that values not just the quality of its products but also the health of our planet. By choosing REDMOND Real Sea Salt, you're supporting sustainable practices and enjoying a product that has been harvested responsibly. It's a choice that aligns with a growing demand for environmentally conscious food sourcing. In summary, REDMOND Real Sea Salt stands out as the best fine ground sea salt for those who value flavor, health, and sustainability. Its unrefined nature, packed with trace minerals, provides a culinary experience that is both enriching and delicious. If you're looking to elevate your cooking while making a responsible choice, this is the salt for you. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products that make a difference in your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.